display all the Qurans. MashaAllah, look at the big edition Quran. This is an embroidered copy of the Quran made by Naseem Akhtar for Pakistan. She began in 1987 when she was 30 years old, and she finished in 2018 at the age of 62. She spent 32 years making this copy of the Quran. The length of cloth used is 300 meters and 25,000 meters of string were used. The final product is made of 10 volumes, each volume containing 3 parts of the Quran with a collective weight of 55 kilograms. Its creator gave it as a trust to the Quran exhibition during Hajj season 2019. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from her. وحسب الذين يعملون السيئات يسبقون ساء ما يحكمون. These are all handwritten Qurans.